Welcome to Best Productly. Five Best Orbital Sander Reviews. We are going to check out top 5 best orbital sander in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this orbital sander, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
BLACK+DECKER BDERO 100 Random Orbit Sander, 5-inch. Random orbital action for high removal rate and a high quality finish. Hook and loop system for fast and easy paper changes. Dust sealed switch to keep all dust and debris out. Included components: 1. BDERO 100 sander, 1. Sanding sheet, 1. Dust bag.
Top 4.
Tacklife Orbital Sander, 3.0A 5-inch random orbit sander with 12 PCS sandpapers, 6 variable speed 13,000 RPMs electric sander machine, high performance dust collection system, ideal for DIY. Strong applicability. 6 adjustable speed dial supports you to monitor the exactly right speed according to different work. 3.0A, 350W/13,000 OPM motor offers strong power. It can work 13,000 orbits per minute comparing with traditional manual grinding. 12 PCS sandpapers. Supplied sanding discs 5-inch 12 PCS, 6 PCS X80 and 6 PCS X180 grits. Lasts the sander a long service life and meet your different applications of removing paint from wood, metal, plastic of corners and other hard-to-reach areas. High-performance dust collection. It provides a clean work environment with a compact size and ergonomic design. This sander can get into tight spaces easily and maximize user control, the ideal for the DIY homeowner.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Dual DWE 6421K Random Orbit Sander Kit, 5 inches. 3.0 amp motor that spins the pad at 12,000 OPM. Dust sealed switch to protect against dust ingestion for longer life. Improved dust collection and interfacing with our vacuum locking system. Innovative one-hand locking system on dust bag.
Top 2.
Makita BO5041K 5-inch Random Orbit Sander Kit. Smooth and fast sanding with 3.0 AMP motor. Variable speed control dial, 4,000 to 12,000 OPM, enables user to match the sanding speed to the application. Ergonomic rubberized palm grip and handle for improved operator comfort and control. Adjustable front handle allows for sanding in corners and confined areas. Large 2-finger trigger switch with conveniently located lock-on button for continuous use and increased operator comfort. Large 1/8 random orbit action for fast and super smooth sanding provides a swirl-free finish. Pad control system for control pad speed upon startup. Efficient through the pad dust collection system for a cleaner work environment. Pad brake engineered for increased performance and reduced gouging. High-capacity dust collection system with built-in vacuum port adapter for improved dust collection.
Top 1.
Bosch Power Tools, 1250 DEVS, electric orbital sander, polisher, 6.5 amp, corded, 6-disc size, features 2 sanding modes, random orbit, aggressive turbo for woodworking, polishing, carpentry. Dual mode, provides 2 sanding modes, random orbit mode for normal stock removal or fine finishing and turbo-driven eccentric orbit mode for aggressive stock removal at 5 times the rate of the normal random orbit sanding mode. Variable speed, the 1250 DEVS comes with a powerful 6.5 amp variable speed motor, no load speed, 270 to 600 RPMs, no load orbit speed, 3,100 6,500 OPM, provide power, flexibility for jobs. Ease of USE, get fast, smooth finishes on a variety of surfaces. Passive dust collection system that requires a vacuum cleaner and hoses.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.